It's a whole new way. Sorry, nigga, you too late. And your career was just a phase.
What's good, YouTube? And thank you so much for the support on the last hair tutorial video I did. In today's video, I'm about to be giving you guys part 2 basically. I basically switched up my routine, or I guess switched up my products too. One thing I noticed about the other video is it didn't even look like how I wanted it to, and as I keep doing it, it's starting to look better and better. I even had to switch up the thumbnail because the first one I did was kind of bad, so I had to redo it. I had to redo the thumbnail. The products I'm going to be using in this video are coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner. I'm done using Cantu now. Curl enhancing smoothie. Some regular shampoo. I know it's Cantu, but normally I don't use this. And then gel. Specifically, what brand is this? Long Aid, I think. Whatever this gel is. But yeah, the reason why I switched my products is because I realized that Shea Moisture, right? Yeah. Shea Moisture has like, Shea Moisture is heavier. You feel me? So I have to use heavier products because I have a thicker hair texture. And you know, I have type 4C, I'm pretty sure, or type 4B or 4C. I don't know, black hair, not the nappy hair. But to let y'all know, I've been growing my hair for about, I think, a year and a half, probably almost 2 years now. It probably doesn't look like it's that much right now because it's not picked out. But anyways, we're gonna do the same steps, pretty much the same steps as last video. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and shampoo my hair. But I'm about to put conditioner in. So while I'm in the shower, I'm gonna put the conditioner in my hair, right? And this is, I'm gonna shampoo too because I haven't shampooed yet. But I'm about to put the conditioner in my hair and just start detangling, okay? And we're gonna use the 2-strand twist method or whatever it's called.
So I use the pick to pick out my roots so I can get the shampoo on my scalp. Then I apply the shampoo. After that, I detangle with the conditioner in.
Alright, so now I'm out the shower. As you can see, I put in shampoo. I picked out the roots so the shampoo can get to my scalp. And now I'm about to put in a little bit more conditioner. And then pick it out and then just shake after that. Kind of like what I did last video. But this time, what I'm about to do for the results is completely different. So stay tuned until the end. You feel me?
Alright, so I'm adding a little bit more conditioner, and then after I add the conditioner, what you do is you feel around for the nappier parts, and then you try to pick it out starting from the tips. After I shake my hair some, you start to see the curls pop into place. Not too much, you feel me, but it's getting there. So right here, I'm finna tie some of my hair back.
Alright, I'm probably about to do like 3 more sections on the right side. But depending on the size of the rubber band you have, you can do maybe 4 or maybe 2. But I recommend 4 or 6. So anyways, let's get into it.
So now most of my hair is separated. And like I said, Shea Moisture Curling Cream is better for thicker hair textures like mine. So I detangle a little bit with the cream in. So I do want to part a little bit just so there's no
entanglement.
So now I'm finna 2-strand twist. It's up to you if you want the curly hair or not, because I know some people don't like doing this, but it shouldn't take too long. Alright, I'll see you when I'm all done. So no, my mom didn't help me do this like how she did in the last video. That explains why it isn't parted well. But you know, it's time for us black men to start doing our hair by ourselves, you feel me? So after this, I usually just go to bed and then take it out in the morning. Yes, I know my lips are dry, I just woke up.
Okay, so now I'm about to finish off. I'm about to take these out, put some water in them and shake them, and you will see the results way better than the first video, like what you see in the beginning. Also, just letting you guys know, I'll be giving you guys, not really my night routine, but how to contain it and how to like keep it for the next day without messing it up. You don't need a bonnet or nothing like that, you just need the rubber bands. But yeah, I'll be letting you guys know that too. So, first step is to get it wet.
So this is what it looks like after I take it out. For the final step, you want to apply conditioner, let it sit in, and sometimes I would wash it out, but usually if I'm not going nowhere or I'm not going nowhere for a while, I just let it sit in and, you know, let it like air dry. Also, make sure to add water to the conditioner before you put it in because it spreads more. So after all that, I just shake it a little bit more and then it should start to pop into place. But if you have type 4B or 4C, don't expect it to be like big curls, you feel me? We have like tighter curls, so no matter what we do, I don't think it'll ever get that big.
Now I've washed it out and all I gotta do is shake it. So basically you're gonna shake for like 30 seconds. Don't get a headache. You see it coming in? You see it?
So I want to lift the roots and keep some frizz just so I can contain that curly afro look. Now I'm finna show you what it looks like when it's dry, which is still really good. Keep watching if you want to learn how to contain it.
I got a headache right now, so I'm gonna apply the product softly or like gently or whatever. And it involves using rubber bands. If you don't have any, then you're out of luck. But this is how I contain it over the night. Like I said in the beginning, I use the curl enhancing smoothie because it's heavier and it's better for hairs of thicker textures, whatever. But yeah, so here's how you want to apply it. From my experience, the middle of your head, like this area, all this area, seems to come out first. Like, I don't know how to put it, like, it seems to look the worst. towards like the end of the week. So what I do now is first I apply it to the middle. Like I apply most of it to the middle, and then usually it will just seep to the side. Just grab a section, and it won't mess up the curls or anything. But yeah. So I'll do it, just grab a section and just start brushing through it with this stuff.
So after this, we're finna apply the gel. So now it's loose enough for the hair ties.
If you made it this far and you haven't dropped a like yet, you're a op. Simple.
Alright, so now I just tie my hair like that. I'm not a pro, so don't judge me. But yeah, so I'm basically just about to go to bed just like this. You can wear a bonnet if you want or whatever. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much if you made it to the end. And God bless.
Took me a minute to write this, I couldn't go to sleep for like 3 nights. Hey, pull up to the party in CDG. Before we eat, it was EBT. Now I got the